We're at Wootton Estate and we're rehearsing for the family event.
And that's JCB Go. This particular show is very special. Normally we work with about 6, maybe 8 machines. This time we're working with 12, which makes it all the more exciting, all the more complex. We're just taking it slowly. That's what the rehearsal process is for. Stopping in 3, 2, 1. It's all going swimmingly.
This routine is really tight, it's really quick, and it's one of the biggest that we've ever done, so it's really exciting to be a part of it, and we're getting there with it.